Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Royal Futura 800 here. Customer states Carriage will not move. So I'm like, well, they told me this over the phone. I tried a few things over the phone. I tried a Carriage lock over here. Right there, Carriage release, Carriage lock. Nope, it's jammed. Nope, it's still jammed. Look at it, looks like it wants to move. There it goes. Oh, something's rubbing. I have a feeling that it's not these margins. I haven't set those yet, but when I investigated, I didn't even get it that far with the customer. I noticed the magic margin tab set is stuck in. See that? It's stuck in. And of course this was shipped, and it doesn't look like anything is wrong here. But I have a feeling this got jammed. I have a feeling this tab set is probably jammed in the rack back here. So, got to get to these screws right here. There's one right there to get this back panel off. And I just barely make this one. Let's take it all the way out. And just moved a little bit on this side. And the back, a couple more screws here. Here's a screwdriver. And we'll see what's happening. Okay. 4 screws in, this panel should come right off. There we go. That is what I saw. Look at this piece. Is stuck right in the rack here. See it right in the rack. That is the tab set. And it should be able to move out like or down. That's what it is, down. All this mechanism here. It's bent. Let's see how this goes. This goes. Oh, this is this. This piece right here is supposed to be on the top of this. This is a piece of steel right here. It's supposed to be on the top here. I'm gonna try to pry it. There. You see that? Okay. Oh, there it goes. See, that moves now. That's what it was. This was jammed underneath the tab rack. Now the margins are set, I'm sure. Margin. That was it. So this was forcibly jammed down underneath that black rack right there. There's a piece of steel right there. That was it. That was my prediction. I think I might have seen that before. So let's see how. So let's clear these out. All clear. And see if we can set this. Looks like it's set. Okay. Oh, look at that. It's not. It didn't go in far enough. See that? So it needs to be. This piece needs to be bent inward. So it got bent a little bit. And it's bended like that. Let's try this again. Good. And good. Okay. So I think we got it. Tab. Okay, I'm going to clear them all out. It's all clear. Over here. Now it should all be clear. And they're setting properly. Okay, so this piece here got bent out and jammed underneath that rack. And I'm sure that happened in the shipping process. So that's a good fix, because otherwise this carriage still feels nice and smooth. And that's it. We got another one. Oops. Let's hope it can handle that. Good deal. And just for a note, this machine, when I pulled it out of the carrying case, smelled really, really good. It had like just a sweet, musty smell. Perfect vintage typewriter smell. And now, she's up and running. All right, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.